Whenever you want to talk to your elders or whenever you want to talk to your seniors, right? These kind of sentences you generally use. Okay? कभी भी किसी से बात करते हैं, किसी सीनियर से, किसी एल्डर से, जो भी सेंटेंसेस हम एग्जैक्टली यूज करते हैं, आज हम उसी को बेसिक से वाओ में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे. Are you ready for it, everybody? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you excited for it?
Yes.
Yes.
How's the Josh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, or hi, ma'am?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. All right.
Hi, sir.
So the sentence will be revealed in front of you now. Very basic. Namaste, auntie. Namaste, uncle. How you say in English?
Hello, auntie.
Hello, auntie.
Hello, auntie.
Hello, uncle.
Hi,
Very
auntie.
basic, right? Let's make it better. Good to see you. Hello, auntie. Good to see you.
uncle, auntie.
Can I add this? And अगर हमें wow English में बोलना है, then how we can say? It's always a pleasure
Always a
meeting you, uncle, auntie. Hello, auntie. It's always a pleasure meeting you. How you can say? Repeat after me.
Always a pleasure meeting you.
Always a pleasure
Listen one
meeting
thing.
you.
Listen one thing. Whenever I'm saying a sentence, you need to replicate. जब भी मैं कुछ
Okay.
सेंटेंस बोल रही हूँ, सुनो, ऑब्जर्व करो और रेप्लिकेट करो. आपको सेंटेंस के साथ साथ प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी रेप्लिकेट करना है. ठीक है? It's always a pleasure meeting you, uncle, auntie. Or you can say, it's always a pleasure meeting you, uncle, auntie, with a little smile on your face, right? You need to show exactly, दिखाना है कि हाँ मैं आपसे मिलके बहुत खुश हूँ. Just, oh, if I say like this, it's always a pleasure meeting you with a serious face. How does it look? ऐसा लग रहा है कि बस जबरदस्ती का pleasure हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Right? So always keep a little smile on your face and say, it's always a pleasure meeting you. Got it? Show me a
Yes,
thumbs up.
got it.
Got it, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Good one. Okay. उसके बाद क्या कहते हैं? आप कैसे हैं? How you will say this sentence in English?
How are you feeling?
How are you?
How do you do? How are you?
How have you been? Basic and better?
How
If
have
you
you
want to
been?
go for more expressive. Okay, remember one thing. You need to pick one sentence or two sentences from the entire session. और एंड में मैं आपसे पूछने वाली हूँ कि आप कौन सा सेंटेंस पिक किया है आपने और उसे यूज करने वाले हैं. ठीक है? और जो भी लोग बाद में रिकॉर्डिंग देख रहे हैं, वीडियो देख रहे हैं, आप उसे कमेंट सेक्शन में डालेंगे. आप कौन सा आपने सेंटेंस पिक किया है और कौन सा आप आज से यूज करने वाले हैं. राइट? गॉट इट एवरीबॉडी? ओके.
Yes.
सो वाओ में कैसे यूज करेंगे? हेलो, हाउ हैव यू बीन? होप यू हैव बीन कीपिंग वेल एंड हैप्पी. Hello, uncle, auntie. Good to see you. Hope you have been keeping well and happy. Right? Repeat this
Right.
sentence after me. Hope
It
you
is-
have been
Hope
Hope
you have
you
been
have
keeping well and happy.
Happy.
super. Okay. सब ठीक चल रहा है? और सब कैसा चल रहा है? सब ठीक ठाक? बढ़िया चल रहा है?
Hope is it okay?
Anyone else? Is everything fine? Is it okay? Is everything fine? Right? Better में कैसे बोलेंगे? Is everything going smoothly?
Everything going
सब कुछ
smoothly.
अच्छे से चल रहा है. Is everything going smoothly? Right? And wow English में convert करना है, then how we can say this? I hope everything
I
is
hope
wonderful
everything
at
is
your
wonderful
end.
at your end.
Or you can replace at your end with home. You can say I hope everything is wonderful at home. अगर घर के बारे में, और सब ठीक चल रहा है, घर पे सब कैसे हैं, है ना? I hope everything is wonderful at your end. Got it?
I hope everything is
After me.
wonderful.
Repeat after me. I hope
I hope everything is
I hope
everything
everything
is
is
wonderful
wonderful
at your end.
at your end.
Super.
I hope everything is wonderful at your end.
Good one. आज आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. आप उनकी तारीफ करना चाहते हैं और कहना चाहते हैं कि आप आज बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. How you will say this?
Today you are looking beautiful.
You are looking good today. You can say like that, or what you can say in a better way. You are looking very nice today.
You are
ये बहुत basic है. We generally use these sentences.
You are glowing
Try to
today.
be more expressive and say, You are looking so radiant and graceful today. Repeat after me.
You are
You
looking
are
so
looking
radiant.
so radiant and graceful today.
Very good. क्या मैं आपकी कोई मदद कर सकती हूँ?
Can I help you?
Can
How
I
can I
help you?
help you?
Okay.
Can I assist you?
Is there anything I can help you with? हाँ, can I help you? Can I assist you? Both will go. And for the better version, is there anything I can help you with? And with the wow version, if you want to go for the advanced one, please allow me to assist you if you need anything. Repeat after me, everybody.
Please allow me to assist you.
Please allow me to assist you if you need anything.
Anything. क्या आपको कुछ चाहिए?
Let
If
us
you
speak.
If
Please,
you need anything,
if you do you want something?
Do you want something? Would you like
Uh,
something? Right? Do you want something? Better version, would you like something? Or in the advanced version, wow version, more expressive way? Please tell me if there is anything I can get for you. Repeat after me. Please tell me if there is
please tell me
anything I
if
can
there
get
is
for you.
anything
Please
I
tell
can
me
get
if
for you.
there anything I can
Ma'am, I
get you.
like same. Please tell me if you want something.
Please tell me if you want something. Yeah, you can go for it.
Please tell me if there is
Sentence.
anything I can get for you.
You know, in English, एक ही चीज को बोलने के लिए thousands of ways हैं. You can
Yes.
use anything. Right? Multiple sentences, same sense, same meaning देते हैं. है ना? So whatever you want to say, you can use, but it should give the same sense. Please tell me if you want something. Please tell me if you would like something. ऐसे भी कह सकते हो. Please tell me if you want something. Please tell me if you would like something. Please tell me if there is anything I can get for you. Right? कुछ भी कर सकते हो.
If we go with kindly, then
हाँ, kindly will work the same. Please, kindly work the same. Okay, any question, any doubt?
no, ma'am.
No? Okay. घर पर सब कैसे हैं?
All good.
No, ma'am. Everything is fine at home.
How's everyone at home?
Everyone at home.
How's everyone doing at your place? For the better version, how's
How's everyone doing at your place? Yes.
good one? Or you can say, I hope happiness and good health are with your family too. Right? You're not directly asking, how's everything at home? But you are saying, I hope happiness and good wealth are with your family too. मतलब घर पर सब सुख समृद्धि है, सब खुशहाली है घर पे. I hope that.
I
Right?
hope happiness and good health are with you.
Everybody
Happiness,
repeat this
good
sentence.
health.
I hope happiness and
I
good
hope
health are with
happiness
your
and
family
good
too.
health are
You.
with your family too.
Super. And don't forget to pick your favorite sentence during the session, right? Okay. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा.
Pleasure to meet with you.
Pleasant to meet with you. Or you can say
I
nice to meet you. It's not pleasant to meet with you, it's pleasant to meet you, right? Nice to meet you, it's pleasant or it's pleasure meeting you, right?
Yes,
For
it's
the
pleasure
wow
meeting you.
version, for the wow version, advanced version, more expressive way, you can use it's truly wonderful spending time.
Spending time.
What you can say?
It's truly wonderful spending
Truly
time
wonderful.
It's
Spending
truly
time with you.
wonderful spending time with you.
spending time
Okay.
with you.
आपसे बातें करना अच्छा लगा.
आपसे बातें करना अच्छा लगा.
I feel very
Pleasure
good
talking
talk.
with you.
I feel very good. I feel very pleasant, right?
I feel good
It
to
was
talk to.
good talking.
It was good
It
talking.
was good
to you.
talking to you.
Yeah,
It was good talking
to you. I feel very good talking to you. Have you realized कि कुछ sentences के हम directly और instantly basic sentences भी नहीं बना पा रहे?
Ma'am, actually we used to these sentences, so that's why.
Yeah. Okay. मतलब we are able to translate, we are able to express ourselves in English like this, but the problem is instantly we cannot do that. because we are
Yes.
not using on a regular basis, right?
Regular basis.
Now you are exposed to all those sentences. Once again, it's your responsibility to use it in the daily conversation. ठीक है, अब आप expose हो चुके हैं इन sentences को, देख चुके हैं, अब इसको daily आप use करेंगे, आपकी responsibility है. समझ गए सभी? Okay. For the better version, you can use I enjoyed a conversation. What you can use? I enjoyed.
I enjoy our
Yes,
conversation.
I enjoyed our.
I enjoy our conversation.
जितने भी लोग our बोल रहे हैं, stop saying our. It's our. I enjoyed our conversation. What you can say?
I enjoyed.
I enjoy our conversation.
For the bow version, let me tell you how to pronounce this, then you can repeat. Okay? Your words always inspire me. Loved our talk. What you can say? Your words always inspire me.
Your
Loved our
words always inspire me.
Now you can repeat.
Our talk.
Loved our talk.
Everybody, repeat the sentence. Use the correct pronunciation. Everybody, I need all the voices.
Your words.
Your words always inspire me. Love your talk.
Super. आपका अनुभव, what is अनुभव? Experience, right? आपका अनुभव सुनना अच्छा लगता है, आपके experiences को सुनना अच्छा लगता है. How you can say this in English?
Your experience.
Try.
Feel good.
Feel good.
Hear your experiences.
Aranya, repeat.
I feel good to hear your experiences.
I feel good to hear your experiences. Or you can say listening to your experience is
Listening to your
nice.
experience is nice.
Right?
Your
And
experience is nice.
it's good to hear your experiences. Aranya is using the better version.
Great to hear
Right?
your
Good
experience.
to
Okay.
hear your
Now let's move to the more expressive version. Your experiences are treasures. We learn so much from you. Your experiences
Your
are
experience.
Your experiences
We learn
are
so much from
treasure.
you.
We learn so much from
So
you.
much from you.
From you.
Super. ध्यान रखना. Very easy. ये तो हर कोई बता देगा. How to say this in English?
Take care.
Take care.
बहुत
care.
easy है. Take care. Please take care of yourself.
Please take care of yourself. Please take care of yourself.
Exactly. Wishing you lots of good health and happiness. Take good care. How you can say? Wishing you lots
Wishing you lots of good health and happiness.
Wishing you lots of good health
Good care.
and happiness. Take good care.
Take good care.
Take care.
Okay. Next one. क्या आप कुछ और बताना चाहेंगे या आप कुछ और सुनाना चाहेंगे या कुछ और बातें करना चाहेंगे?
Like to talk more.
You want to talk more? Or you can say, do you want to say something
Do you
more?
want to say something more?
Or do you
Would
want
you
to
like
share
to-
something more?
Would you like to say something more?
Yes. Would you like to share more or would you like to say something more? Something की जगह आप say something को replace यहाँ पर share भी use कर सकते हैं, right? Would you like to share more?
हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. Would you like to talk more?
हाँ, बोल सकते हो. Would you like to talk more or would you like
Would you like to express more?
would you like to express more?
Express more.
But on a straight note, if अगर हमें
या मैम ये भी बोल सकते क्या?
क्या बोलना है? Tell me.
If you want to share some things, please let me know.
प्लीज लेट मी नो. अगर इसका मतलब तो ये हो गया कि आप कुछ बताना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज मुझे बता
तो
दीजिए.
लाइक यही ना बताना चाहते
ये
हैं.
थोड़ा सा पोलाइटनेस से डिस्टेंट हो रहा है, पोलाइट वे में नहीं जाता है. हम जो वे ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन है वो पोलाइट रखने की कोशिश करते हैं, राइट? डू यू वांट टू से समथिंग. ये जो मैंने डू यू वांट की जगह वुड लगाया है ना, ये लेवल ऑफ पोलाइटनेस को इंक्रीज करता है.
Yes.
Yes. So would you like to say something? Would you like to share something? Would you like to share more? Anything you can use, right? Do you want to know the advanced, more expressive version?
Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
Yeah, waiting for it. Okay, here is it. I love to hear more of your wonderful stories if you'd like.
I would love to hear you hear
Allow
I
to
would
hear
wonderful
more
stories.
of
share more
your
of your
wonderful stories
stories if you
that
would like.
you would
Super.
like. You would.
मुझे आपसे आशीर्वाद चाहिए. आशीर्वाद means blessings.
I need
I need your blessing.
I want your blessing. I want
I want
your
it.
blessing.
I want your blessings, or you can say,
Blessings.
please bless me.
Please bless me.
Your
Give your-
blessing mean
The
the
blessings.
world to me. Please keep blessing me. You can say
Your
your
blessings mean the
Your
world.
blessings mean the world to me.
blessing me.
Please keep blessing me.
Yeah. क्या आप
मैम ये भी
हाँ want to say something?
I need your blessing. It's give me a strength.
Yeah, your blessings give me strength. I need your blessings, or I need your blessing. Your blessing give me strength. Yeah, definitely you can say that.
I'm
Right.
giving blessings to all.
Thank you so much. Okay. क्या आपको मेरी मदद चाहिए?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Can I
want,
help you?
How you can say this in English? Tell me.
Do you want help?
you want my help?
Could you please help me?
Do you need my help? Right?
You need my help?
Or can I assist you in any way? Right? For the better version, you can say, can I assist you? Assist करना मतलब help करना ही होता है.
Help करना. Yes.
Can I assist you in any way? And for the wow version,
Please feel free to ask me anything you need help.
let me tell
I
you
will be
the
honored.
exact pronunciation, then you can repeat. Say,
Yeah.
please feel free to ask me anytime you need help. I'd be honored.
Yes.
You can repeat.
Please
Please
feel free to ask
feel
me
free to
anytime
ask
you need
anymore.
help.
You
I will
need
be
help.
honored.
I would,
Help. Would be
I
I
honored.
would be
Honored.
honored.
Brilliant. फिर मिलेंगे.
See you.
See
See
you
you
again. See you again.
See you later.
See you later. See you again.
Hope to meet you
Hope
soon.
to meet you soon. Hope to meet you soon.
Soon.
And for the more expressive version, you can say, looking forward to meet you again and learning more from you. What you can say? Looking forward to
Looking forward
meet you
to
again
meeting
and
you
learning
again
more
and
from you.
learning
Can
more
I
from
repeat
you.
everybody? I need all the
Looking
voices.
forward to meet you again and
Looking forward to meeting you again and learning more from you.
Brilliant. Super.